Hello, Namaste everyone. I am Mangleshwar Tozu. I came up with yet another video of Social Studies Class 10, Social Studies for SEE. As a Social Studies teacher and writer, I am presenting copies of best students of a school who deserve A plus in Social Studies. So I am showing exam copies of second terminal examination 2078, subject Social Studies, Joint Examination Committee, Paktubur. Here we start. Group A consists of 7 questions. Each question carries 7 marks, and the questions are in this way. Yes, a good student, a better student, or best students present in this way. Questions answer. Constant human resource definitions. Definition is given here. And question number 2. Question number 2 means what is sustainable development according to the report of Brundtland Commission. Question number 3. Question number 3 means which caste is related to given folk instrument. Of course, it is of Gandharva community. And question number 4, give any 2 examples of domestic violence. Regarding this copy, the student has presented in this way. Once your question's answer is finished, 2 or 3 lines gap is found. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. And moving on, question number 5. Question number 5 is write the name of any 4 political events between the period of 2017 to 2046 PS. 4 events. Here we can find 4 events. But this student has written only Sihandarwar caught fire, Jhapa revolt. We need to have 4 events, but this student has written only 2. That's why I gave 0.5 marks. Question number 6 is what is economic plan? And number 7 is write the name of any 2 specialized agencies of the UNO. Economic plan is given, definition of economic plan. And question number 7, 2 specialized agency of UNO are also given, FAO and WHO. In this way, here he has presented in a positive note. Out of 7, 6.5 marks. She or he deserved from group A. I have next copy over here. And question number 14, explain any 2 influencing factors of climate. Regarding 2 influencing factors of climate, this student has written in this way. Definition of climate, actually it is needless to write, but here he has given in right way. Latitude in this way, here he describes. On very next page, altitude. So because of his or her creativity, I gave 3.5 marks. And because here he has presented, so these are 2 factors if influencing climate, and also a given picture as well, drawing of latitude, regarding latitude and altitude. That's why I gave 3.5 marks. Same student, this student has written answer of question number 15. I am happy with this question's answer. And the 15 number is how do you evaluate the Delhi Agreement of 2007 BS? What is your perception? What is your opinion on delay agreement? In this way, this answer one can look at many paragraphs, 4 paragraphs, and also given uh, conclusion. This agreement has provided justice equally to everyone rather than everyone, every party. We must correct. So it was satisfactory agreement. That is his or her presentation. But my suggestion for you, if you write this figure, it will be better. If you spend only 20 to 30 seconds, 50% King, 25% Nepali Congress, and 25% Rana. In terms of authority, Delhi agreement was taken place in this way. Authority wise, I mean, this picture is reflecting. And question number 16. Question number 16 is, prepare an editorial for a daily newspaper on the importance of tourism industry in Nepal. Yes, in terms of tourism industry in Nepal, the Kathmandu Post, the editorial in this way, here he has written. But my suggestion is better to write, or we must write editorial at first in very first line, then after the Kathmandu Post, the Himalayan, and many English newspaper, the Rise in Nepal, the Republica, and the title is the importance of tourism industry in Nepal. And in terms of editorial, you know that, and you need to write only E capital. We need to have only capital letter in this word is E, and remaining small letter. In terms of question number 17, 17 means explain your clear view about the provision of veto power in the UNO. Regarding veto power, pour your opinion. And here he writes, veto is a power given to 5 permanent members of UNO which can reject the decision passed by majority. I think provision of veto power is not right because here he presents logic. It disrespects the decision of majority. If a member use veto power to reject, okay, to reject, it's okay. Reject the decision passed by majority due to personal reason, then that program cannot be implemented. This power can generate conflict and misunderstanding among permanent and temporary member, and many more. And his or her logic is justifiable, and also conclusion is also given. So these are the reason that I think veto power is not good in UNO. That's why I gave 3.5 marks. Furthermore, question number 19, draw an outline map of Nepal insert the following facts: Rara National Park, Rara River Narayani, I must say, Rupa Lake, and the Mount Choi. In this regard, map of Nepal, your title is not correct enough. Pencil and pen, a blend of pen and a pencil. So don't write in this way. Your title should be very attractive, and in normal or simple handwriting you should present. And entering into Nepal's map, yes, Choi is right, and the Rara Lake is also right. It is difficult to say it is right. Narayani River, in terms of Narayani River, and it is also Rupa Lake. Rupa Lake, I don't think it is right, so it must be over here. It is in Pokhara, you know that. So 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 marks, and 0.5 marks, 2.5 marks, and 0.5 I can give. So 2 marks, 2 marks for Nepal's map. That's why I gave 5.5 or 5. Actually, I gave 5 marks, 1, 1, 2, and 0.5, and 0.5 for this one, and 0.5 marks and 0.5 marks, 1 and 2, 3, and 2 marks for Nepal's map. And next my comment is is related to question number 19. In terms of Nepal map, it is not justifiable to ask Rupa Lake and Narayani River, because number Kha, Ga, or these two, Narayani River and Rupa Lake, are related to water bodies. In terms of water body, there must be only one question, either from river or from lake. All right. Question number 8. Calculate the educational index of Nepal from the given data. Mean year of schooling, expected year of schooling. So to data we have. So it may be new question for you, but the student has written in a very, very positive fashion. That's why I gave 4 marks. Look at his or her handwriting, presentation, and cleanliness. Smart presentation, I must say. So 4 in 4. Same student presentation of question number 11. Both taking and giving dowry is a social crime. Justify this statement. Like before, handwriting, presentation, first paragraph, background or definition paragraph, and main body of these questions. Taking dowry, giving dowry is a social crime, and conclusion style. That's why I gave 3.5 marks out of 4 marks. And question number 15. How do you evaluate the Delhi Agreement of 2007 BS? My intention is just to show this copy's presentation or the student's presentation. Is it wonderful, fantastic, or good enough, or excellent? You can judge yourself. So learn from this copy. Introductory part, main element, and last paragraph, conclusion style. So I gave 3.5 marks out of 4 marks. Question number 9 is, what do you mean by sustainable development goals? List out any 6 goals. So best performance, best copy is like this. Question number 9. First of all, here he writes sustainable. What do you mean by sustainable development goal? And here he presents in this way in a table. Goals number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 14. It does not matter if you write goal number 14. It is not necessary to write respectively, and every point is correct. So I gave 3.5 marks. Definitely here she deserves 4 marks in terms of presentation of such caliber. Question number 20 is, compare and contrast between causes and consequences of the First and Second World War in 7 points. In this way, a student presents causes at first, and between World War First and World War Second, differences between, and then after consequences. In this way. So in terms of causes and the consequences, here he has presented in this way, in table wise, causes wise, and the consequences wise, contrast and the differences, comparison. So I gave 6 in 7 marks. In terms of group C, long questions answer. Next copy I have question number 10. Question number 10 is, question number 10 means if you are given the choice to enlist anyone Nepali National Heritage Site in the World Heritage Sites, which one do you choose? Give 3 suitable reasons. Yes, if I am given the choice to enlist anyone Nepali Heritage Site, I would choose Mankamna Temple. Then after introductory paragraph, she or he presents her or his opinion about Mankamna Temple, And the last paragraph, look at conclusion style. That's why I gave 3.5 marks. So we must come to conclusion that for 4 marks, 1 page will be enough if you write in this way. Question number 11 is, what is foreign employment? Mention positive and negative effect of foreign employment in Nepal. It is very average question, normal question, simple question. And in terms of foreign employment, so in terms of 21 number, foreign employment's advantage, disadvantage, positive aspect and negative aspect, this student has presented in this way, in a diagram style. I must say it is said to be innovative and creative way. 4 pages we can find. Yes, we can find 4 pages in this regard. So I gave 6 in 7 marks. And conclusion style. So subscribe my YouTube channel for information and innovation. Like, comment and share. And I will be back with yet another videos of EPS, question answer of EPS, science, math, OPT math, Nepali and so on. Thanks for watching.